skincare, hair, natural hairstyle, natural hair. This tree is gorgeous. Change, change is constant. Embrace every part of you. You would evolve around all the seasons.
It takes some finesse. I seen you finesse.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell below so you can get notifications when I drop a new video. So this video today, it's gonna be a vlog, a maintenance vlog. So you guys, next week is my birthday. I'm so excited. Next week is my birthday, so I'm trying to do like a maintenance, like basically maintenance vlog. I'm going to be doing my hair, I'm going to be doing my nails. My hair needed a lot of TLC. I had loosened it yesterday night, but the whole washing, I needed to like deep cleanse my scalp, deep conditioning. And you guys, by the way, these are the products I use. I use Essentials by Tabitha. It is my hair care brand. Please, you guys should patronize me. These products are the products I use on my hair. I did a demo of how I was moisturizing, like my moisturizing routine with these 3 products. The other one, we've got 5 hair products. The shampoo and deep conditioner are in my bathroom. I don't want to go and take it to yeah, it's fall season. We're almost entering winter. I can't afford to leave my head down because I'm going to come back with frizzy hair and I do not want that. So I'm just going to put my hair in cornrows so I can wear wig. I don't even have time to like be manipulating the hair right now, so I'm just going to put it in the protective style. I'm going to go for my pedicure and manicure today. I'm going to make the hair now, do my pedicure and manicure, then I really don't know how I'm going to do it because of time. If you guys remember in the last vlog, I ordered my phone, a new phone, so I'm going to pick up the phone today. So it's a lot of things. I need to also get some other stuff for my travel because I'm traveling for my birthday. I'm traveling to Albania, you guys. I'm going to take you guys along. I'm so excited. I'm going to take you guys along next week. So this is a full shopping, maintenance, everything. Like I'm excited, you guys. I'm excited. I need to make my hair into cornrows. I don't know if I should do that first or I should just go and go and pick up the phone, then shop things I want to shop and come back. I'm really confused, you guys. I don't even know what I want to do, but I'll try and see how we can do it. So I changed my mind after doing all my calculation about the timing and everything. I've decided to just go and do my nails first. I wanted to go and pick up the phone first from city center, but because of time, I want to do other shopping in city center. Once I enter shops, city center is over. I will keep going everywhere till I get what I want. So I'm like, I'll just go and do my nails and pedicure first. Then from there, I'll go to city center, pick up the phone, and go and buy all the things I want to buy. So you guys, I had to lay my hair like this because I cannot even deal with frizzy hair right now. So I just had to lay it down and tuck in the ends. So yes, that's it. I'm off now, guys. I'll see you later. Hi guys, I'm back home now for everything, and glory be to God, I was able to achieve everything I planned on achieving today. Alright you guys, so I went to Primark, as you can see, Primark, and I got a few stuff for my travel. So I needed these bags. I wanted to use to pack a couple of my makeup stuff because I can't carry my whole makeup kit, makeup, and then my skincare and bath product into here. I wanted to order it on Shein before, but the timing. So when I went to Primark, I got it, which I'm really happy about. I got this travel size, like what we call it now, travel bottle set. So I got this on Primark for, this is just £1. So I saw this socks, cozy slouch socks in Primark, because most times when I'm downstairs in the sitting room you know, probably watching movies and all, I get really cold. My feet get really cold. When I wear socks, it's not cozy. So I saw this and, you know, I just bought it because it's very soft. It's got fur inside. Can you see? So it's really, really nice. I don't know if you guys know this. This is called reusable cleansing pad. So when people do makeup, especially like after you use your cleansing oil or cleansing balm to remove your makeup, when you're rinsing off the oil, it's always really messy. And I don't also like the fact that I'm using, why is this thing so hard to remove? I don't like the fact that I have to maybe use a towel. I don't like the idea of using towel. It doesn't just sit well with me to cleanse the face. So I've been looking for this. This is the cleansing pad. I'm sure you guys know it. So after, you know, wiping and using oil and everything to dissolve the makeup, just wet this in water and then just use it to wipe the makeup off. Is easier instead of rinsing. Before you know it, the clothes you're wearing would be stained with makeup. I just don't really like it. So this, I've been looking for it. So those were the major things I got in Paramount. I went to H&M, went to M&S. Where else did I go? I went to Next. I was trying to look for some outfits because, to be honest, I've booked this my flight since, what was that, since maybe June ending. I booked my flight since June ending, so I already got some holiday outfit, like summer outfit I was going to wear to travel. But I laugh in Spanish because it's actually autumn/fall also in Albania, because Albania is an European country. So those clothes I bought then cannot serve me now. So I don't know how I'm going to collate the look. So because the clothes I was seeing in those places, they were just not, it was not just giving what I wanted. They were mostly jumpers. I was trying to even look for a jumper dress, like what's a jumper gown. I went to Primark when I didn't see what I was looking for, so I wasn't able to buy any clothes or anything. I'll just try and see how I can mix and match everything I got, like the clothes I already have basically. So this is the nails I eventually ended up with. Can you see? It's beautiful, just really simple and short. So one thing about myself is I embrace every season I'm in. Like I embrace everything. Like I love to see, like I tell myself, I love to see this part of me. There was this weight loss era, there was the healthy eating era, there is, then I'm still on weight, like I'm still on healthy eating. You know, I still eat healthy. That's a lifestyle. Everything I'm watching is skincare, hair, natural hairstyle, natural hair gang, natural. The highest style I do on my hair is high puff. Everyone that knows me, my hair knows that it is high puff. This hairstyle, I think the last time I tried this hairstyle was 3 years ago. I've never really had the time, but my hair has grown so much. My hair is shorter than the back of my hair, especially this middle part. So whenever I try to put it in this kind of bun, it's that front part, it doesn't sleek well because it's shorter than the rest of the hair. And it is normal. Some people, the back of the, like me, the back of my hair is longer than the front of my hair. So people, it's the front of their hair that is longer, some is the middle. So I just didn't used to stress over it. But today, because I said I didn't want to put my hair in high puff, because I just didn't want it to be in high puff. So I just said, let me even try this hairstyle, whether it will stay. And it did. That's it. Moral of everything I've said is embrace every part of you. You don't need to be rigid. Embrace every era that you are in, because it won't last for long. I don't know if any of you like can really relate to what I'm saying. There's a part of you like, oh, you're obsessed over a particular yogurt or meal, and then before you know, you just notice that that food doesn't just sit well with you anymore. You don't just even feel like eating it. If you eat itself, you just wouldn't taste the same way. Same thing with me. For me, perfumes, it was my friend Mide, my best friend. She sells perfume. You guys check her out on Instagram with this scent. She was one that let me know that, oh, there's something called olfactory fatigue, blah blah blah. And when you start using a perfume for long, before you know it, the smell just you just wouldn't feel the smell again. That it's olfactory fatigue. So yeah, embrace every part of you, every season. If you perfume you are using right now, you loved it so much before, you even spend a lot of money on it, it just doesn't sit well with you. Change, you know, change is constant. Embrace every part of you. You would evolve around all the season, all the years. I'm turning a new age next month, right? So I said next month, next week, in a few days. And you know, I'm just appreciating this part of me, because I wouldn't be on this season this time next year. I'll be a whole different person, you know. So embrace what it is, embrace what you have right now. Yeah, we're out this thing. I've not eaten anything since morning except that stop it to saw me eating. So I'm just going to go and have something to eat, then I'll make my hair afterwards. I'll see you guys when I'm making my hair.